This short video will introduce some tools using the Panda protocol, connecting to OVMS for displaying vehicle signals. This is of beginner complexity, designed for all users. Note that this is new functionality that requires OVMS firmware version 3.3.003-2 or later. Let's start by connecting to OVMS as an access point over Wi-Fi. Within range of the car, we choose the OVMS Wi-Fi, and can then examine the connection to see our IP address starting with 192.168.4. We can then switch to our web browser and connect to the OVMS module using the point 1 address or by typing the module name .local if we prefer. We then choose the shell, and log in as the admin user so that we can send commands to OVMS. To make OVMS support Panda connections, we need to type can log start UDP server discard Panda 1338. This tells OVMS to listen to Panda connections on the standard port 1338. We are now going to run an app called Scan My Tesla. This will connect to OVMS over Wi-Fi to display real-time dashboards and information from the car. As well as dashboards of gauges, Scan My Tesla can also show the raw signals coming from the car, grouped by the different subsystems. An alternative to Scan My Tesla is the tes-LAX application. tes-LAX is more flexible in that it allows you to specify the IP address of the Panda server, so you can be connected to any Wi-Fi network that has both your mobile device and OVMS on it. You can see here that it has similar dashboards to Scan My Tesla. tes-LAX works using signal lists described in open-source TBC files. You can either load your own, or choose from the ones provided with the app. Here I am going to enable the Tesla Model X preset, to gain access to the extra signals available for that car. To stop logging, I will switch back to the browser and issue the command can log stop. More advanced users can use scripts to start and stop Panda logging when the car is turned on and off. Thanks for listening to this short presentation of Panda logging with OVMS. For further information, please refer to the Scan My Tesla or tes-LAX application sites.